this video, we're going to look at the Pelican Air travel cases, the 1595 and 1535. So let's take a look. First up is the 1535 travel case. This is a carry-on size case and it comes in 4 color options: black, charcoal, indigo, and oxblood. The interior dimensions are 20.39 by 11.2 by 7.51 inches. The exterior comes in at 21.96 by 13.97 by 8.98 inches. It's waterproof, crush-proof, and dust-proof. Super light proprietary HPX polymer, up to 40% lighter. Press and pull latches. Stainless steel bearing wheels. Packaged cube organizers. Lid mesh zippered storage compartments. Automatic pressure equalization valve. IP67 and mil-spec certified. Taking a look at the case, it feels solid all around. You have the branding on the top along with the model number on the side. On the bottom you have the wheels with the stainless steel bearings, and on the top you have the retractable handle. Just pull on the locking mechanism to extend the handle. You also have the pull down handles on the top and side, and it feels sturdy and solid. Again, to extend the retractable handle, just pull on the back plastic as you see here, and pull again to retract. It rolls very smooth and the wheels are quiet, easy to navigate. A closer look at the case. On the side you have the 2 press and pull latches with the TSA lock and the pressure equalization valve. You also have the stainless steel protectors for the padlock on each side, and on the middle you have the card holder. Opening it is quick and easy and very smooth. Inside, you have the manual, key, and the packing cube organizers. You can see the hard shell inside, and the lid has a mesh storage compartment. Plenty of space to put your belongings. And this is how the packing organizer cubes look like. You can see the screws on the back in case you need to replace some parts. And here's a 360 view of the case. Taking a quick weight measurement, it comes in at roughly 9.72 pounds. Now a look at the 1595 travel case. This is a check-in version. This comes in 4 color options: black, charcoal, indigo, and oxblood. Interior dimensions are 25.53 by 14.28 by 8.92 inches. Exterior comes in at 28.52 by 17.89 by 10.73 inches. It's waterproof, crush-proof, and dust-proof. Super light proprietary HPX polymer, and it's up to 40% lighter. It has all the features that I mentioned earlier, like the 1535. Taking a look at the front, you have the branding on the top, and you also have the model number on the bottom. The quality feels solid, just like the 1535. The top has a retractable handle, and it is easy to extend and retract by just pulling the back portion out of it. You also have the handles on the top, side, and bottom. Again, it's very smooth to navigate and wheel around. No noises with the wheels. And a closer look at the extension handle, you can see how it operates. Looking at the side of the luggage, you have the 3 latches on the front along with the pressure valve, and 2 latches on the side. These have the TSA lock as well. Opening it up is quick and easy, just press and pull the latches. And inside it comes with a manual, key, and packing cube organizers. The lid has a large mesh storage compartment just like the 1535. And here's a look at the packing cubes. And here's a 360 view of the case. Taking a look at the weight, it comes in at roughly 15.52 pounds. For those that are curious, the 1535 does fit inside the 1595 as you can see here. It can help with saving space when in storage. So here are my thoughts on the travel cases. These are some solid travel cases and can withstand the elements. It's waterproof, dustproof, and crushproof. It can protect your belongings whether you are transporting equipment or just your clothes. Interior is versatile as you can get optional dividers or foam. It feels well built and has a rugged, tough feel to it. I would definitely look into a Pelican Air series if you're looking for some travel cases to protect your belongings. The ATX series that I reviewed a while back has more of a luggage feel for your regular travelers, but it comes with the benefit of the Pelican toughness. On the other hand, the Air I feel leans more towards those that are packing gear and equipment, but it can definitely be used for traveling and putting your regular belongings. So that is my review of the Pelican Air 1535 and 1595 travel cases.